let us get started. So I created a new folder in my desktop called video downloader, and here I am going to create a new file called yt.py. Inside that I am going to do all my work. So first let us install our PyTube package in our system. All you have to do is pip install PyTube in your command prompt. Once that is done, we are good to go. Now the first thing that we need to do is to import our module or library, whatever we want. So I would be using my PyTube package and then importing my YouTube module. Now we have to use our YouTube module and pass out our video link. So I would create a variable called yt, and inside that I would be storing the return of my YouTube module. Now we have command over our video. So there are several different methods that we can perform over our yt. All you have to do is just write yt, and then you will realize all the different functions that are available for our yt. So what I am going to do is I am just going to use a stream for a while and then talk about different categories about audio, video and resolution. And will be using my print to showcase the particular result. Remember, currently I am into my main folder. Before running, I have to be inside my folder in which my py file is present. Let me run this one. And here you can see out the result. You will see that we have a stream, then we have itag, then we have mime type, then we have resolution and lot more thing. So you might not be clear with this picture. Let me show you from the documentation and description. So what we are currently doing is we are currently using our YouTube module, and inside that there are several methods, which is stream and then showcasing all the result of stream. So remember, each YouTube video has an itag and it has a mime type. And the next thing is resolution and then FPS and all the different things. So our main thing will be itag because they are unique, and then we can select any video. So suppose if you have a YouTube video and you want MP4 version with a resolution of 720p. It's quite simple, we will be using itag as 22. Or maybe you want MP4 version with a resolution of 480, we can use itag as 135. So now we have different streams, that means we have different versions of a same video according to quality and according to audio. Let me come back here. So currently we are doing all. So I just need a specific get tag. That means all was returning me all type of stream that were available. I want a stream of a specific itag. So all I have to do is use my get. And this is a particular method, and here I need to pass the itag code. So if you look here, there were different itag availables. So this was for 720 pixel and I was having an itag of 22. There will be different codes and you just need to save according to the setting that you want. Let me go with itag 22 only. And if you have any question in mind that how I get to know about this method, I just read few lines of documentation and it was quite helpful. So now we are specifically targeting this 22 itag. Let me try to print this one. So here is the confirmation that I am selecting currently resolution 720p. Things looks fine. Let me remove my print statement. Now I need to actually store this result into a variable. Since I am currently selecting my stream, let me use dw as my variable name. And to download, all we have to do is use a variable dw, then add a dot, and you will get lot of options. I just need to use my download method, and inside that I need to pass my path where I need to save this video. So I will be using E drive, and here if you see there is no video currently here. Let me save this one and run my command. And let me open my folder. Here you can see now I have this video. Now this was the same video for which I have added link. I can also try out the second video. Just copy the link and go to my Atom, add this video here. Open my command prompt, run this file again. It's done. Let me open my E drive. You can see I now also have my second video. We can simplify and improve this method by adding try catch, by adding an input instruction to pass a link of a video. So we can just take input from the user and pass the link here. We can also add a print statement. Once the video is downloaded, we can print that the download is completed. Currently we are not doing that. We can also pass many URL together. We can play a lot more thing, but this was some basic command and I hope you understand about that. In the next lecture, let us play a lot more with this so we get a basic practice of what we have learned till now. I hope this lecture was helpful. See you in the next one.